I'm Dr. N.K. Venkataramana, neurosurgeon, Brains Super Specialty Hospital. In spite of all the advancements, road traffic accidents continues to be a menace in this country. We have recently started a high-speed highway between connecting Bangalore and Mysore. Now it's the greatest advantage that we can reach Mysore in 1.5 hours. But at the same time, the 8-lane road has become the site for unwanted accidents. That is because of our driving culture. When there is highway, there are certain things to be followed, that once the highway starts, people should not stop the vehicle suddenly. They should not move from one lane to the other lane separately suddenly. They should not cut across the lanes suddenly, and overtaking has to be done at the specified areas with the proper indication, looking around for everything. Suddenly you should not slow down. Everyone should be at a specified speed, and in addition, people should not be walking there. No stops in the highways. No animals should be crisscrossing, and no humps, no barricades, no obstacles. And all these are the standard things that is followed across in developed countries as a highway. Now, highway driving, highway etiquette is totally separate from casual driving that happens in many other roads. Two-wheelers should not come in the middle. They need to find their own lane. They should not cross to that. All fast-moving vehicles are towards the right, and the slow-moving vehicles are onto the left, and always overtaking is always from the right side, from the slow lane to the fast-moving lane, and that too looking around with all the vehicles at a proper time. Now, when drivers do not have this etiquette and people misbehave or violate these guidelines, automatically the accidents will come. And the second thing, the tendency to overspeed, because the road is good, the road is empty, and you keep driving suddenly till you find some obstacle, and people will go out of control. And unfortunately in India, we have the habit of putting sudden barricades, sudden humps, and sudden obstacles on the highway, which is a very, very bad practice. Unless we follow all this, I think we should not open the roads for such high-speed situations. Just inaugurating the road is not enough. We need to have proper guidelines for this, proper awareness, proper education, and making sure that highway system is followed so that we can prevent an accident. Always prevention is better than the cure. Once accident happens, a series of changes can happen with especially the brain injury, and they need to be protected because they are unconscious, and supported and shifted to the nearest hospital in the first hour after the accidents. That is called the golden hour. If we don't do that, a series of complications can happen, endangering their own life, either losing life or having permanent disability. The unfortunate thing is that knowing well that the accidents can be prevented, people still overlook all these and then continue to drive the way they are doing before, which need to be curbed immediately. It is our earnest request to all of you, please follow the guidelines and etiquette of the highways, and everyone should keep the highway with its sanctity so that the road is used for a good purpose. Everyone will enjoy the drive and reach their destination safely and in time.